Welcome. Good morning, traders. Woo! Happy Friday. Let's make some money. Pretty big. What is this? PC index. Okay. Sure, buddy. Sure. All right. We are live. We also have news at 10. Oh, 9. We already had it. Oh, no. 9 a.m. CT. So, yeah, it's 10. Cool. Still just comes from consolidation from that move yesterday. Market doesn't seem too sure how to respond to that. Hey, bro. How are ya? I saw yesterday's rerun. Good trading. Of course, I wasn't in front of my screen, so I thought I would bring in you bad luck. Nah, Sylvain. Happy to see you, man. Happy you're here, Sylvain. There he is. Howdy, Brett. How'd your day go trading? Better? You're the man, Brett. Appreciate you, buddy. Hope that wasn't out there for too long. Our range this morning looks a little tighter than yesterday. Obviously, we had that really massive just give back all day long. Just slowly found bigger selling until we ended up just bottoming out. Now we're still just in that consolidation range. Right now, we're just going to kind of be patient. Look for possibly, a retest of a high. I'm not sure. I mean, the market, we're back in this range. So nothing is too attractive at the moment. Let's take a peek at the hourly here. You know what I mean? We seem like we're finally going to be on the other end looking for some shorts. Yesterday I made a good trade of 1,000. Yes! But in the afternoon when I looked, I saw my account burnt up. I had forgotten that I had a pending trade. No way, Sylvain. Tough luck, buddy. That is the worst. That's actually the worst, bro. All right. I just want to take a peek at the daily real quick. Just kind of get an idea. Swept the highs. Now we're kind of I think bearish is a fair play. Feeling bearish. We'll see what happens here. Market's been open now for 8 minutes. Opening print price still up here at the 80s. 380. We're about 65 points below that right now. Bro, if we pass these, Saucy, we also get to immediately trade again on the fundeds because of these new version 2s or whatever. So if we pass, we can also trade fundeds today and then go for our hit there, and then Monday could be something. But we'll see what happens. We will see what happens. I'm looking lower for right now. I'm looking lower. It is kind of gnarly. It's a little bit gnarly. A little gnarly. Looking to fire short here, just trying to find a spot where it makes sense. This bottom that was pushed through, reclaimed. 230. So yeah, previous day low being right here. We've already taken out previous day low. Previous day high doesn't really make a lot of sense then. Yes, I got distracted with a rental that I manage at home. Let's hope I can make up for it today. I've taken over 2 accounts. Well, just a little distraction's not ideal, but you got it, brother. Sylvain, you're going to pass 2 accounts today. Also, I got the new, you missed this yesterday, Sylvain. I got the new version 2 Topstep, so that's pretty cool. Now I'll be able to trade just a couple differences that it has. I am going to draw this out just because it is where we're looking at the moment. Actually, don't really love it. Asia. London wasn't big. Pre-market ripped through. Could possibly go see higher prices here, but not sure. Not really loving any of it so far. About 60 points from opening print price. Kind of hanging out. Not the most volatility. EMA does look like it's going to give up here, pushing us back closer towards these lows. Recognizing this. A little imbalance here that we're starting to hold. I want to see if this will continue to hold here. If we give it up, then we're going to be looking to play the other side. If we give that up, we're going to be looking to play the other side just for a quick scalp. Try to get these accounts passed and then... Excuse me, have some opportunity to trade the fundeds if we can get there. If we can get there... so far. Here's our range. First 15 minutes. Another minute to really determine. I want to see if price can get below this imbalance. Stretch this 15 minutes a little longer here. It's looking like we might be getting it. If we're able to hold here, we could be looking for a return back into the range here. First 15 minutes is being put in now. Haven't been able to break below this imbalance. Still finding some support here. First 15 minutes now being put in. Trying to break through the bottom. Right now we're kind of holding through. Decent move from this little imbalance here. Thinking for the short term, we could find a little bottom here and push back up. I think the bigger move is going to be selling. So we're trying to find a spot where that really makes sense. It's kind of what I'm looking at. Price is starting to round a little bit here. We're trying to get out of this 15-minute range. There's nothing here on this bottom level here that makes me... Oh, this is previous day low. Okay. So we're trying to start to hold previous day low. We already swept into it. Now we're trying to reclaim it. We're trying to hold. I'm going long at 230 on my practice account. 230. So way down here, Brett. No, I'm on the 230 long. If we can get down there to 230, I don't mind that. So you're expecting these lows to become checked? Okay, okay. I like that you're practicing, bud. 330. Oh, okay. Word, okay. So you're a little under right now. Or you said you're going long, or you are long. Are you already long, or are you waiting to get filled at 230 if we get back up there? Right now we're kind of just sideways here at the bottom of the 15-minute range and previous day low. We look like we're trying to support. Every time those sellers are very strong right now, it looks like. Sellers look very tough right now, I'm not going to lie. Waiting. Cool. I like that. So I'll see if we can get it back above 330. Take a little long. I don't mind that idea. We're trying hard to find this hold here on this bottom, this previous day. Sellers feel a little heavy right now, not gonna lie. Sellers feel a little bit heavy at the moment. We traded a little above the EMA for so long last night. Just holding it. What do you mean the VWAP? VWAP's the yellow one. EMA is the little white one that interacts with the price. Sellers are getting their move now, though. Into the 260s. Like we were saying, we were looking short. We were just trying to find a spot where it made sense to. Getting a decent push into this range now. We could find some more buying support here, though we're already below that, so it may not come right away. Just gonna find a spot to get in with these boys. Find a spot to get short. You're right, VWAP. Word. Yeah, we were just kind of bouncing above it. Gave up. And now we're starting to give up again. Strong selling coming in right now. It's hoping for a little stronger of a pullback closer towards like this VWAP before it ended up dying, before we could get short. But now we're just kind of observing. Trying this low that we found earlier. Trying the low out again. That traded out now out the window. Yeah. 330 long out the window, my boy. Out the window now, 330. I'm looking for short. Problem is, overnight low is so close. There's not a lot of targets that would be obvious at this point. And so, kind of just makes things a little trickier. No clear spots that we'd be looking for. If we can start to hold here, we might be able to try to take a reversal back, but I don't know. This candle feels heavy. Candle feels heavy in the overall direction. The 150s is possible. We're going to take a stab off the EMA here. Hopefully we can get a fill. If we can get a fill up at the EMA, we'll be taking a short. 74, looking for the 60. Roughly here, if we can get in there. Roughly something like that if we can get in there. Looks like we might be getting a fill here. Need a little bit more. See what happens. Oh, teased on the fill. A little tease on a fill there. All right, we need back towards the 60s now. Back towards the 60s would be a pass. I want to see the sellers kind of load in here on this EMA try. Need to push down towards those 60s. I want to see the EMA continue to be held. We're at a battle price. Oh my god, we just got teased. Yeah, we just got teased, boys. Fill down there then. Getting teased. Holy. Alright, let's see then if they all passed. 53,000, they all passed. Alright. Well, we're in there. Let's go see what this is like now. Never really done this before, so so it hasn't quite updated yet. It says still the 1500. Let's go, Sylvain. Additional profit needed, 22. Best day. Profit streak, 2 days. Highest day, 53,022. So are we? I don't even know. Yeah, look, it still says close account total. P&L, account balance. So is it, am I tripping? Can I not do it the same day? Figuring this out. I've never done this before, guys. This is the new dashboard. Mahogany dashboard. Profile. Might just dox myself. I literally think I just doxed myself. Shit. No, okay, we're good. Cool. Good. Oh look, it did this update. Here we go, look. Bink, over the line. Path to funding. Account balance still hasn't updated. Just trying to get this figured out. Never hit number on these before on these account balance over time. How do I activate these accounts? Dashboard, mahogany dashboard. All right, trying to figure this out. If anyone has any experience or knowledge, let me know. Get the same day fills. Excuse me. Thank you, Sylvain. We got a set of 5 accounts, buddy. Twister, what's up, man? Twister, what's up, bro? Welcome in. Hope your trading's going good. Appreciate it, Sylvain. Good luck on yours. I'm trying to, yo, Twister, you might know. How does this new dashboard work if I wanted to pass? Like, I just passed these, and you're allowed to trade them on the funded now immediately. But I don't see anywhere that gives me that option. I do not see anywhere that give me the option to do this. You know, very good. Not here, so it's not on this dashboard. So it is this dashboard. Passed. Nice. Congrats. I appreciate it, man. Thank you. Passed a set of 5. Now it's trying to see if I can trade them. Go to accounts. It's in accounts. Got you. Is it this? Details. Active. Add-ons. Sorry, trading combine. Am I blind right now? I've got to be blind right now. What is this? What's that? Go to accounts. Is this button? Details? Yeah, I don't know. Details. Reset, close, or close and cancel. I'm guessing it's just going to be here. Launch platform. I'm just missing it. I appreciate the help, bro, though. Means a lot. I'm guessing it's here when it's ready. Is this telling me that I'm not updated yet? Give it a few minutes. Oh, okay. I was like, is this telling me I'm cooked? Gonna need 22 bucks, but I already got to like 22? Like, I don't know. We'll give it a few minutes here. How's your trading going though, Twister? Kind of a slower range today. Getting pushed back into the 15 minutes here. Pushed off of this bottom. Might be looking not too shabby. Word, so it will be in here somewhere. It's weird though, because this is all updated. Like, it tells me where I'm at. Whatever, we'll be patient. Getting a strong push now off these what is this? 250s into the 300s. Brett, your long's coming up, buddy. I'm green today, closing the week in green. Great job. Hell yeah, Twister. And the week green is a great place to be, you know what I'm saying? And the great green is a great place to be. I need some better music. We've been listening to the same lo-fi for a while now. Let's hear something a little bit better. Brett, your long's coming up, buddy. It's the same thing. Yeah, here you're balanced, so it isn't updated. It is not updated yet. I'll give it a refresh here. Yes, refresh, yeah. Still not updated. Okay, good. Well, okay, then good. This bottom is looking like it might be holding. It's a strong reaction off of it. I'd at least be willing to try to see if it would hold. Push back towards this 15-minute bottom or something like this. We could be looking for some continuation to the other side of the range. Mahogany. Wait for the other side of the range. Trying the bottom of the 15-minute range again. See the reaction here. Still waiting to see if I can get these passed. I mean, they're already passed, but I'm trying to activate them, and it will not update for me. Patience is a virtue. Now trading well and securing a big payout. Come on, Sylvain. That's what we're looking for. We're looking to just hit this correctly. So really how I'm really trying to play this, still max leverage, because this has been the strategy for at least I got like another 5-6 weeks of trying the strategy out, which will be full leverage on outside edges. And so if we can get 2 good more fills, max payout 22,500, 25,000 after they take their 2,200. It's 22,500. So it's kind of what we're looking at. Looking to catch that payout this week would be amazing. Right now, just letting this update. Data fade is straight to funded. Huh? Mahogany dashboard. All right, getting a strong push now back towards this VWAP. Brett, your 330 trade is in. This would be a spot we could be considering. We found a strong reaction here off this bottom. Probably can try the other side of this 15-minute range now. Firefox or Chrome? I am on Chrome, buddy. Is Chrome the problem right now? Is Chrome holding me down right now? Is that what's going on here? Am I straight being held down by Chrome right now? I like Google. Come on. Now we can be patient. We can be patient. Is it usually quick? How long? I mean, do you know how long it roughly should take, Twister? Obviously, it's probably pretty discretionary, but... No, Chrome is good. Firefox is the problem. All right, cool. I was under the same impression. Yeah, we'll be patient. It's not a big deal. Right now, we're getting a push back towards this 50% of the 15-minute range. We pushed out of the bottom of it, reclaimed it, and now we're just going to kind of see the reaction off VWAP here. Not a ton to do. I'm tempted to... I'll give it till 30. I'll give it another 15 minutes or so, 20 minutes or so. If it doesn't update it, I'll probably just call it a good week. Take the new setup accounts into next week and run it that way. It's kind of what I'm thinking. If we can't get this to go. Oh, sorry for the yawn there. Any plans for the weekend, Twister? What you got going on? Sylvain, what you got going on this weekend? Weekend plan, Sylvain? I'll type it in for you because I know you don't speak of the English. Bum ba da dum ba da 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 dum. It usually takes around 5 minutes, but I normally pass at night Asia time. Maybe they're under some load right now. Yeah, it could be that. I mean, I'm sure there's a lot of things being processed through their Topstep, but 5 minutes is... We're definitely been over 5 minutes, so... We're definitely over the 5-minute mark, but we can be patient. Like you're saying, maybe it's just timing-wise. Trade Asia session. Is that what you were trading last night? You traded Asia last night? You traded this? What is the top of the range? 395, 275, 120 points. You can make some money. It's tricky. I don't know how to... Like, we don't even respect yesterday's levels with, like... How do you trade Asia? I'd have to learn. That's just... I mean, a couple times we've kind of supported some levels, but, like, we didn't... It's interesting. Strong reaction back to the VWAP. EMAs are curling pretty aggressive. Beach weekend on 35 degrees here. Oh, Celsius. So... Yeah, great weekend for you, buddy. Love to hear it, Sylvain. I don't know if we're gonna. I think I have the opposite. Up where I'm at is about to just be straight 48 hours of rainfall. So enjoy that for me, Sylvain. Gold is amazing during Asia. Gold, yeah. I truthfully haven't spent enough time trading gold. Is it true that it's kind of inverse of NQ, or at least some of the equities? So people usually, if they're short one, they're long the other type of thing. What about you, Twister? What you got going on this weekend, buddy? Strong reaction off that bottom here so far from the buyers. They reclaimed some support. We want to see if this can hold this VWAP now, be the big spot for if this is going to continue. Let's take a peek here. We're still not activated. Not activatable? Is that a word? Activatable? Not actually sure if that's a word. Is that better? Man, that keeps happening. Appreciate you for the info, Twister. I don't know why that keeps happening like that, but all right. But no, I said I'm the same way. I'm kind of a introverted person by default as well. I like what it does to me. It pushes me in my life to go be a. We can't hear. Can you hear now? Is it better? Is it working, or is it not working? Now it's good. Okay, cool. Yeah, no, I'm an introverted person too by default. I just know, especially being up in Maine, like our population is trees. Like we have more trees than people by far. So there's a lot of alone time and quiet space, which I'm a big fan of. I've found a lot of development with it, but I also love what it does for my character and kind of like my overall life development when I'm forced to be an extrovert or socialize and just, throw myself with society and kind of use it as like a gauge. 6,200 on the practice account. Brett Gumont. Pay the bills. Oh! W's for Brett, getting some practice W's. The man is just starting trading. He's very new in his journey. So, I mean, that's amazing to see. But yeah, no, I'm the same way, Twister. I like my alone time, but I go to the gym every day, and I like how I have to force to be. Like I'll be hitting a set and someone will just come over and start talking to me. So it'll make me like, oh, okay, yeah, and Gets better in aspects, but I hear you, dude. Also, sleep is vital, so that's not a bad thing. The more we sleep, the better we are. 6,200 on the practice accounts is no joke, though. I love that, Sprat. We're getting a push towards the top of the 15-minute range. We did find some support at VWAP there with a strong candle pushing us from the 48s up to the 70s. If we can get a retest back to VWAP, that could be a confirmation for continuation. We found this bottom now officially, I think, from this data bottom. We've officially kind of held it. So from here, let's just be patient. I'm going to give this a another refresh here. We're still waiting. We're still being patient. I hope it's not super rainy, but I'm pretty sure. Yeah, 90% chance of rain tomorrow, and then a 70% chance Sunday. Brett, W. So as you can see here, this is kind of the range. We had a selling off for the first 15 minutes. We pushed through with some heavy selling into this previous bottom where we were, this previous selling overnight, excuse me, sorry. Immediately found a little support, pushed back to the EMA, got out of the 372. Yeah, so what's wrong with that, Saucy? It's a good exit too, buddy. 372 for me. Hey, Sylvain. W's for him, too. It's a winning trade, buddy. That means you could end the week green if you want to. I love it. But yeah, so we got some support back in the EMA here. Strong candle pushed us into... Actually, I think this was the data candle. Yeah, it was, too. So this 10 a.m. data candle, strong, pushed us back into the 15-minute range. We tried to push the bottom again. Once we got back to this 15%, this is when we started finding some support. And so now we're just kind of here, hanging out. Just here, kind of hanging out near the top of the high, the 15-minute range, creating some decent structure. EMA is curled over the VWAP. I mean, there's all the reasons this can continue up to high a day now, at least break overnight high, pre-market high. Come get some of this liquidity in here. How ironic is that, Sylvain? I know it is. The 372 is. I thought the same thing, my friend. Come on, YouTube. I need some better tunes. I mean, I like these for like a normal focus, but I need some hype. Let's type in hype. Let's try this out. Never listened to this, so. Nice little bull flag creating here on this EMA. They just want to dance. Yeah, I like this. Boop, boop. Still hanging out here, getting close to the top of the 15-minute range. If I had my fundings, I'd be looking for a long, somewhat, either back towards the 50%, maybe VWAP, maybe this triangle, this bull flag. I don't like that he's singing that much. I don't mind it. Nah, he's talking too much. Sorry. Sorry. Can't have it. I cannot have that. Still no luck for your boy at the moment. May not be happening today, Gentlefish. We may be maybe just sitting on the W for the week and coming out tomorrow or next week with a new set of accounts. That's kind of what we're looking at. I like that all four of us are green right now, boys. Twister's green, Sylvain's up 370, Brett's on the practice account. We passed these accounts. We're here making money today. What else are we got to do? What else is there to be done? We're all making money. Come on. Needs better tunes. Trying now to push toward the top of this range. Yes, Sylvain. Finding some support here. Once they reclaim VWAP, EMA is still curling up. Still don't think we can activate these yet. We're being patient, but I do not think that we can activate the accounts. Oh, no fun for me. Today the last day? No. Tomorrow's last day of May. And then we're in June. How the hell are we already halfway through this year? Anyone else just feel like this year is just, like, just leaving? Just leaving us quicker than it came? Insanity. Already halfway through this first year. Crazy. Getting a push now towards the top of the 15-minute range. If we can get above that, we should be able to see probably overnight high trade / pre-market high. We found some good support here. No reason to think that this has to be retested. We might come back down, try out VWAP or the 50% range again before going, but so far, we're getting some support by the buyers. This selling kind of got held up here, so the sellers came in aggressively, but the buyers caught it. Still don't think we're able to. I got the new dashboard, so I was hoping we were going to be the new mahogany dashboard, but right now it still appears as though it's not going to update too quickly for us. Maybe intraday with like New York session. Can you close Topstep and go back into see if that works? You mean this? Close Topstep X? Or you mean this? I just refreshed this. This balance is still messed up. Unless you mean this Topstep. You mean Topstep X, Sauce? I could try it. I'll close Topstep X. Open again. Whoa! Boys, we lost an account. Leader +3. Oh, because updating them one at a time. So look, this one says passed, and I have 4 active. Okay, we're learning. Can you close Topstep? I'd like to have a sale now. That little sell sale going. Okay, so then we can click this. Account passed. Activate Express funded. So that's sexy. So that's what happened here. That's why one of the accounts resets, because it already passed. So we're going to have to wait for all 5 of them. So it's just a little behind. Just a little bit behind today, you know. She's not trying to impress nobody with her speed. She's just doing it at her pace, you know. She's just doing it at her pace. Let's go, Twister. Failed to break to the 15-minute range there. Just creating some more structure. Failed to break out there, creating a little bit more structure. We got 1 out of 5 that we can activate. We're going to be patient till all 5 are ready to go, though. Probably doesn't, I don't know if it's going to happen, because I'll refresh this one more time. Bink. Yeah, it's still just 1 out of the 5. And it's already 10:30, so we might be waiting, boys. Gentle plants, but we'll see. They can give us them all. Give it to us. Give me the money. I was liking that other song. I think next week, by the way, boys, I'm gonna end up redoing this this overlay where it says like day trading NQ up here. I like to like and subscribe. I don't mind. I want the colors to change a little bit. I know I gotta change my everyday 9 to A. I'm always on like 9:30, but I'm kind of overthinking. I was saying close Google altogether and log back in. No, I'm not gonna do that, Saucy. It's showing me that it's working. It's just taking time. It's just taking time. Like they're taking it one at a time. Like this one, I lost an account there. That made me panic for a moment. I was actually like, what the hellion? What the heliante? What the heliberry? Still battling here at the EMA. EMA is curling aggressively over VWAP by about 30, 40 points. So far, the selling has been nullified. Hey. Hourly candles are pretty interesting too. Showing strong buying here. Showing some strong buying on this hourly candle. Strongly reclaim the VWAP. They can get back above this range with some continuation. We can see some higher prices. Otherwise, we're quite literally just going sideways right now, which is still just continuation of yesterday's big selling. So we're still just kind of stuck in this consolidation from that massive move. The market's just trying to decide, I think, what it wants. I wouldn't really be bullish until up above this price, really even get around here. Failure to break to the 15 minutes so far, creating a little top. We might get a push back towards VWAP here. It is Friday, gentle plants, so I might just probably gonna be calling here in a couple minutes. All of us just end the week green. Not a bad place to be. Twisters up. Love it. Sylvain, he made some money today. Brett, practice account crushing. We're here. So we have no reason to really just end the week on some good vibes. Head into the weekend. I got rain, but it's all right. We might just be doing that. I'm going to give another refresh here, see if we got any more activate. Still just this one. Very interessante, but hey. We're a fan. We're a fan of what we're seeing going on here. Strong push now. We'll see the buyers can reclaim the top of this range. Or the seller's going to keep loading. Let's take a peek. Nice push. Pushes us above it. New New York session high here. Good idea. Start fresh next week. I think so, Twister. I think that's going to be the play. We all got good energy. We're all up. We're all having a good week. Start again nice fresh with a new Monday. Kind of let this action that's already been played out this week just kind of settle. I don't think today's going to be too miraculous or spectacular. We're kind of just continuing the consolidation from yesterday's big move. I think yesterday was the move. Yesterday was the move to make money in this week if you were really trying to make some dollar bills, yo. So after this big consolidation, move down, which the hourly candle is so, look at this. It's so ugly. But after that, we're getting this. We're just getting this right now. A little bit of tighter range. Not a lot going on. Hit that like button if y'all haven't yet. Helps me a lot. Helps us find some other traders. Come hang out with us. Subscribe if you're not, because it means a lot. It's a free way to support. And we are gonna be back next week doing it again. Trying to see if we can get this payout here, boys. See if we can get this payout. We got 5 accounts. We're going for the max, so 5K on each, which would be 10K in each account. So we're looking for 50K. Pull out half would be 25. Topstep's 10% would give us 22,500 in the bank. And that's our goal next week. So we'll see what happens. Twister, I hope you enjoy your weekend, buddy. Fucking go do something. Leave the house. Maybe, I don't know, doesn't mean nothing big. Just do something. Or enjoy your sleep if that's what you want to do too. It's also a king move. Brett, hope you enjoy your weekend too, my boy. And then whenever you get, I don't know if next week you're going to be able to trade with your real accounts, but whenever that comes, keep practicing and crushing. Sylvain, you're the man. I hope you enjoy the beach. Enjoy the nice weather that you're going to be getting. And, yeah, enjoy this end of the week green. I'll send this to you in here, Sylvain, because I know you don't read. Sylvain, anyone else in here? I appreciate you guys. Enjoy your weekend. Yeah, get away from the charts, step on some grass, drink some water, and come back tomorrow or next week for the session again. And we'll be doing the same thing, having fun and making some money. I appreciate you boys. Take it easy and peace.